How to fix voicemail not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, clear voicemail cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search voicemail, click on voicemail, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache voicemail, clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.